I'm not. No, I'm very afraid of confrontation. I get very nervous about talking about something like this.
And then you end up in resentment land because you spend a ton of time having imaginary conversations in your head, don't you?
Yes.
Yes.
I do.
That's cruel and unfair to him.
And doubt. Yeah.
Yes. So if you're going to be
kinda
mad
hard
at him,
on your brain too.
Yeah. If you're going to be mad at him, he at least deserves to know what he could do. Give him a path back to relationship. Because right now he married somebody with a lot of money, and he might think he's fulfilling his duties as your husband by being the fun-loving guy that just whatever, partridge in a pear tree.